It's another video, guys. Welcome to the new video, and I go by the name Bricky, and Bricky Adventure is my good name. So guys, welcome and welcome again. Today I'm gonna be taking you through a video. It's a drone footage of the Great Rift Valley. So guys, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, you comment, you share, and you also like my videos because good things are coming, guys. So let's go without even wasting time. Let's deep into the video. Let's go, guys. Yeah, so guys, thank you for always watching my video. It's the end of the video, guys, so make sure you subscribe if you have forgotten to subscribe. And guys, thank you for always your support, and I will bring you the next video. So guys, welcome to the next video, and thanks for always keeping up with me. Goodbye, bye bye, thank you.